Welcome to new video on finance for beginners. In this YouTube channel, I am regularly uploading a video related to free stuffs like free RTP, free online tools, free AI tools and many other topics. So in the today's video, I am going to introduce you with a best free 3D animation software for your PC. And the best part of this software, it's officially released on free version. You don't need to use any cracking method for this, and also you will not get any watermark on the final results. To get this software, first of all open any internet browser and search Blender. Blender.org, home for Blender project, free and open 3D animation software. Now open this website. In the home page, you will get this download option. If you want to know more about this 3D animation software, you can just scroll its home page and read these blogs, or also you can get a review video on YouTube. To download and install it on your device, click on this download. It will automatically recognize your operating system and suggest you to download according to your operating system. And also you can use this drop down menu to find specific software for other operating system. You will get for Windows, Mac OS, Linux. Just click on this download Blender 4.1. The current version of this Blender is 4.1. The software has been automatically started to download on your local device. You can also donate some euros to this Blender developer, then you can do this, but it's not compulsory. Now just check your file by going to this downloading list. It's about 327 MB. After download complete, you can install it on your device. Then you can start your own project. Before this, I recommend you to check couple of tutorial videos on the YouTube. I hope you love this video to find best free 3D animation software. If you love this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel Finance for Beginners, and also hit the bell icon for the latest update. This much for today. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Have a good day and best of luck for your 3D animator journey.